So Microsoft is actually just helping organizations disrupt in a number of ways. Through our integration and our work and collaboration with DMDII and through mHUB, Microsoft actually provides a number of programs. We provide AI for Earth, AI for accessibility, and AI for humanitarian action. And those are programs that we have that allow startups, people that participate in DMDI and mHUB, to have access to funds, should they desire that, to funds, technology, and advice in order to help develop the next generation of applications and next generation of disruptions.
Microsoft is a company with a learning mindset, and we take a look at collaborative innovation as a pathway to continuing to learn, continuing to grow, and continuing to evolve. When you want to take advantage of the best thinking of innovators, you go where innovators go. And then you contribute to the collective resources and you leverage the correct collective resources, which is why we became an early supporter of both DMDII and CityTech Collaborative.
Microsoft got involved early with DMDI and CityTech for a couple of reasons. Number one is we saw that that was an attractive community. And part of our mission and what we're really trying to accomplish is combining the community to allow us to collaborate more effectively so that we can both learn and figure out how we can help those organizations accelerate from an innovation perspective and bring new solutions to their own manufacturing organization.